Everyone keeps congratulating me on the promotion. I just smile, terrified they'll figure out I'm actually drowning.
I spend my entire life designing homes for other people, but I honestly can't remember the last time I felt at home in my own life.
They pay me for my brain, for my ideas, but honestly, it's just static up here. I'm completely running on empty.
I thought the anxiety would stop once we hit the revenue target. It didn't. It just got louder.
It's 3 a.m. I'm exhausted. But I'm terrified to close my eyes because my to-do list just starts screaming at me.
I used to love this work. Now, I catch myself wanting to just get in my car and drive until I run out of gas.
My daughter drew a picture of our family yesterday. She drew me holding a phone, not her hand. That broke me.
I'm the fixer, the strong one. So who do I talk to when I'm the one who's falling apart? No one.
If these voices sound frighteningly familiar, you don't have to listen alone. Join Friven in the upcoming Work-Life Balance online workshop.